fun tonight. You should have told Jonah and Nick how it goes and they're not going.
This is a toad. He knows how to swim.
Really, Rob? Really?
Mm-hmm. Look at this. He's got great form.
He also
Took a massive dump.
poops.
Can you believe this? This came out of this. This. What did you do? What did you do?
I mean, that is
Insane. He's very zen-like.
yeah. Well, Rob, why don't you go put him down there, and we
The
can
quick way?
No.
Well, if you hold them upside down and rub their legs, then what happens? They poop? That can't.
That was, yes,
Wow,
really.
God, that's incredible.
We better wash that
Whatever
plate.
they're eating.
He's got a flexible leg. It's insane, man. I think I should let him down the quick way.
Yeah.
Look at that leg. That's insane. He's like literally rotating the whole thing is joint.
Frogs are very
Look at that.
well. That's a toad.
Not
Yeah.
necessarily a frog.
No.
Toad! He took a dump!
Probably from the same food chain, or
Genus.
there you go, thank you. But I'm guessing it's not a... So what are you going to do with it now?
I was thinking about chucking it.
Gently? And there's some... You can just drop it down on... This lawn is full of those things. Every time I mow, 3 or 4 come out the shoot, cut in half. Ow!
And so ends our friend,
I hope it's a
toad.
like roll over.
Yeah.
See, you should have gone to the dance tonight, Jonah.